Thinking if I get one right there underneath the weeds, yeah, like right there. Oh man. Haven't really done a formal introduction yet, but what's up, everybody? Today we're here at Calero Lake in Northern California. Trying to do a little early morning session. Yeah, it's around like 7:30 right now, maybe 7:45. The wind is kicking. Surprising. Usually early in the morning I don't get that much wind over here, but it is going today. So we're gonna have to experiment. Try some different spots, try to find some protected coves and that type of stuff. So stick with it, stay tuned, enjoy. Here we are approaching the same thing I was just talking about, like a nice little isolated cove. Let's see what we can do here. Looks nice. Nice and protected by the wind. So we're gonna probably go along these grass lines. These Thule lines here. Try with the Underspin first. Yeah, a lot of grass. Tons of grass. Get out of there. Not a bad one to start the day. Nice and healthy one. This really looks like some salad that you'd eat at Olive Garden or something. What is this? So I think I'm gonna switch to something else. Maybe a Senko or something that I can get it through the weeds a little bit better. I'm actually gonna pull the popper out real quick. Try to get over the grass. But if you guys are in my situation right now, this is what you guys want to try to do. You're fishing at a new lake or just a lake that you've been before, but trying some new spots. You want to try to find stuff like this. There's nice grass patches that I'm finding out that are towards the middle here. You have these nice tules. This is where the fish should be hanging out. You can kind of snipe a good cast into one of these tules. I think you'll definitely catch one. Thinking if I get one right there underneath the weeds, yeah, like right there. Oh man. There's one. Feels like a good one too. I knew it. I knew if I can get right there. But yeah, it's a good one. Oh my God. Please tell me I'm recording. Oh my God, I got that. It's nice. Probably 4. Heck yeah. Let's get him weighed up. Let's see. 370. Yeah, we're getting like 370 on that. 376. Exactly what we're looking for right there. Nice toad. Let's get a good picture of this guy. Yes, sir. Claro. Gave me a good splash too.